Hello everyone, dear friends. Vyacheslav with you, and you are on the One China channel. Talk, let's unpack more, unpack. Well, I'll unpack. We have two packages, all priced at let's $39. So that's how it's written here, camera filter. So here it is. Camera filter. For my camera, for the lens, a special filter. It should be transparent, which is screwed on. Its size is 49 millimeters. Screws onto the lens thread and protects against penetration of any dirt. So that it does not settle inside on. Glued finger. All the parcels are nothing else, there is this box. So to pour out the first aid kit filter company like this Kinku. Keiko, Kintu, I don't understand. Well, the Chinese are doing something weird here. Dachi filter, wow. This is 49 millimeters in size. This, I don't know what some version, how so. European something is not clear. Let's open it. Let's see. Wow. Cool shadow in the box. There is nothing, hands, empty box here. In such a case in which it comes soft, such a thing, see here it is. And there lies our lens, but something tells me that it will be small. Caliper's 49 millimeters. Maybe we will check right away that it is metal, that it is real. Here too, we have such designations focusing on the line and on the hands to analyze.
Да нет, друзья, она подойдет. Она просто обязана подойти. Только вот надо что-то. Есть. Я сделала. Опа, нет. Что-то тут с резьбой. А нет.
Is there a focus? Everything is okay? Everything fits perfectly, friends. Now I have a filter on the camera. We will shoot with a filter now. Don't be afraid for our lenses, only plastic, only thick look, what kind of like this. It also screws in. We don't just open it, it unscrews. We have to do everything by opening. We put it in a box. Flour will come in handy. Such a link here links there everything. Let's open another Fasta parcel and put a like this is my first parcel from Fasta 2.
И ставьте лайк, это моя первая посылка с фастека.
Let's see what we sent. There should be an adapter here. Wow. A piece of paper. And here's an adapter like this.
И вот такой вот переходник. Сейчас почитаем бумажку. Ну, здесь они обычно присылают инвойс, так называемый чек. Да.
And this is what it's all called. Let's open.
Сейчас покажу, как это все правильно называется. А вот так вот это все называется. Понятно? Ну, давайте откроем его.
Here's an adapter for my stand like this. The adapter itself will be inserted here. I will attach it.
Такой вот подставочки. Сама переходник будет вставляться вот сюда. Буду его крепить.
And we already wind our base onto it. Here it is wound like this. And our base stands quietly and we rewind it. Cool.
И мы ее перематываем. Круто.
This is all such a ring, but I don't know what it is, for I will need it if it lies.
Это все. Еще вот такое есть колечко, но не знаю для чего оно, мне оно, в принципе, не нужно. Ну, пусть лежит, пригодится.
And so here it is. It will be placed here, wound, and everything will be cool. Well, that's it. Vyacheslav was with you. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe, put likes. Bye, everyone.
Всем пока.
To be continued.